Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? So welcome back to Brandon's Fishing Channel. If you guys have been here before and watched my videos or been on my Instagram, and welcome if you've never been here before. I've had really good luck at this pond. I've fished it a few times, always caught some decent fish. I'm really hoping I can get a decent video for you guys, but enough of that. I'm about to get to fishing. Let's hope I can catch some fish. Wow, alright guys, so look at that. That's fish number one on a watermelon candy fluke. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't have the LCD turned around to see me. I don't have a whole lot of time. I'm going for numbers tonight. That was the first fish. I caught it right off of a little bit of that duckweed over there in the corner. I mean, you guys definitely saw that. First cast, that's awesome. Oh, lost him. Not expecting that fish. Here we go. All right, not a bad fish there. Sweet. Caught him off of watermelon candy fluke again, as you could tell. Alright guys, so I really hope that you guys could have saw that. It was almost impossible for me to get out of there without getting my feet wet, unless if I got creative. And I found a stick that I could use to like support my weight and not fall in the water. That was honestly really tough. Somehow my feet didn't get wet. I have no idea how I got out of that situation, but either way, I caught a fish over there. I didn't get wet, so it was definitely a success. I almost had one. I had them hooked and lost them. That was the third fish so far. I think I've got 5 or 10 more minutes of fishing left. Let's see if I can pull another one out. I'd say it's a little unlikely, but I definitely think it's possible on this pond. Alright, so thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So on one of the ones that I lost, I was actually reeling in my fluke and just kind of paused it for a second. I don't know if my hand just stopped turning or what happened, but the fish came up and just hit it right there, really close to the little barge I was standing on that was really rocky, and it's honestly not a very good fishing platform. I can't really fish a whole lot of that pond to begin with, so, you know, I kind of had to do what I needed to do to get more areas to fish, especially in a short period of time. I wanted to move around, get on the fish. If I made a cast in one spot and didn't catch anything, I was just gonna move on and not try to really dwell on one spot, and really try to nitpick and fish every little bitty spot and keep throwing a lure in the same spot multiple times. The other fish that I lost, all of a sudden realized, oh shoot, I have a fish, and it went into the vegetation and I didn't get a very good hook set, obviously, and the fish just came off closer to the bank. It was a little bit disappointing, but overall it was a pretty good fish. To be able to have 4 fish hit my lures, that's pretty awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this is your first time to my channel, and you know, if it is your first time, I'm really glad you watched it all the way to here. My videos in the future are going to be looking so much better. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out. It's going to be awesome. Also, if you liked the video, make sure you leave a like and a comment below. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later.